guys, I went shopping at Walmart this week. I did a grocery pickup, which I almost always do these days because it's just super easy and the price isn't any different. Unless you want to use coupons, which I don't usually at Walmart. So, yeah, that's what I did. I also got some things at Kroger that I'm going to show you, and I'll put the total in the information box below. Hey guys, I spent $20.07 at Walmart on groceries this week. Mostly I was just stocking up on our carbs kind of and veggies. We'll start back here. The flour was $1.22. Great deal on that. Baking soda was 52 cents. Garbanzo beans and or chickpeas, whatever you want to call them, those were 58 cents each. And I'm just going to try making some hummus with these. I looked for dried ones, and I was probably looking for garbanzos, and so it didn't come up. I don't know. But I got these canned ones just to see if I like it or not. Flour tortillas were $1.48, I believe. Yes. $1.48. The brown rice was $3.32, and this is so much rice. This is gonna last us at least a month for $3, less than $3. Mixed veggies were $1.94 each for 2 pounds. Not a great deal, but you know, it's handy to have everything all cut up and prepared and in the freezer. So these were about 25 cents each. I spent $1.01 on 4 Romas. The carrots were $2.92. So yeah, $3 for 5 pounds. That'll last us at least a couple weeks. The cabbage was $1.52, and the sweet potatoes were only $2.44 for 3 pounds. So yeah, less than $1 a pound for those. I thought that was a pretty decent price. Oh yeah, and did I already say the baking soda? I think I did. Yeah, 52 cents. So, that's what we got for this week. These are great examples of vegetables that you don't have to grow. You can buy them, and they still are pretty affordable, and they add a lot to your meals. So, like, I can take this, mix it with carrots and some, what do you call those seeds? Caraway seeds, I think. And, you know, you can have coleslaw from that. You can add this to your salad to kind of bulk it up. And I do have salad greens in the garden right now, so I'm not buying salad. I don't usually, but yeah, the carrots, I can make smoothies with those. I can make cooked carrots. I can make lots of stuff with carrots. And then obviously corn and mixed vegetables are pretty multi-purpose. I usually don't buy tomatoes, but for some of the fresh Mexican style meals that I make in the summer, it's just really nice to have fresh tomatoes. So mine aren't quite ready yet. So I bought those. Bonus haul. We went to Kroger, and this is what I got at Kroger. I spent like $14, and I'm going to explain that here in a minute. These were 3 for $5, which was $1.67 each. Eventually I would love to make my own baked beans from scratch, but I'm using a recipe, like a specific recipe, and of course all the recipes for baked beans call for canned baked beans. How is that even a recipe? I don't know. But I bought these for a specific recipe. So those were $1.67. These were a fantastic deal. These were 50 cents each. So, whole pound of my favorite shells for 50 cents a box. I got 4 boxes. And then the Parmesan cheese, I don't usually buy Parmesan cheese, but I did. This was $4.50, I believe. So that was a big part of this grocery haul. And then I mistakenly bought the wrong brand. This was supposed to be free with an Ibotta rebate, but I was supposed to buy Heinz, and I bought Hellmann's. So I just spent like $3 on this, which is way more than I would spend. And guys, I just want to point this out. This is supposed to be olive oil. See, they have it looking nice and natural and olive oily. It says with olive oil. It's not really olive oil. Where's the ingredients? Water, soybean oil, olive oil, eggs and egg yolks. So, really, it is literally with olive oil. They put a little olive oil in there to get people like me to buy it. Anyways, was supposed to be free with a rebate. It wasn't, so that's $3 that I kind of wasted. We did need mayonnaise, but I could have made it for less than that. So, yeah, the $4.50 here, $5 for the beans, $2 for the macaroni, and then another $3. That's $14 additional that we spent this week at Kroger.